Program number 31. Write a program to create a data series and calculate the table of 5. Table of 5, you remember? 5 ones are 5, 5 twos are 10, 5 threes are 15, like this only. So table of 5. So data's range is also 1 to 10. Index range also we will take 1 to 10. Now table of 5, what you can do? 5 ones are 5. So in the value, because index we cannot multiply in the value. So 5 into 1 equal to 5. So what is the table name? 5. 5 into S31. Then S31 what you will take? This value will take. So 5 into 1, 5. What is the output will generate? 5. Then 10, 15. Like this it will generate. 5 table. See. Index value 1, 2, 3, 4, 10. 1 to 10. Now table of 5. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30. Like this it will display. Okay. This is the table of 5. So like this you can generate any table. Any table.